Hey, what's up guys? So it's recording. Alright, I'm just gonna make a quick video on how to clean your air filters. Here they're at, they're pretty dirty. And all I use is this toil air filter cleaner. I've been using this the last couple years. It works pretty good. And what I try to do, I try to get I have like 3 or 4 extra air filters, and I just do them all at the same time. So I just mix that solution in warm water, and then I just throw it in there, rinse them all, get them all in there, and let them sit for a few minutes, and then wring them all out, get all the dirt out. And if they're really bad, maybe do it like an extra time if you have to. If just depends how they come out. If they're still dirty, mix up another batch of the toil solution, the air filter cleaner, and it's like just like a powder, like dish soap or something. And all I do, I just mix it in there, let them sit in, and then get all the dirt out, squeeze them a bunch of times, wring them, get all the dirt out. And then I like to also try to do it like on a nice day, so they dry nice and quick or whatever. It's not too humid or anything. So here they are. And once they sit for a little bit, all that dirt starts breaking up, all the, or not just the dirt, but the solvent that's used to clean. And you can see all that stuff's just coming right out after it's been sitting for a minute or so. And I like to use warm water. It seems to break it up a little bit easier. Not a bad idea to use gloves. This stuff's like biodegradable and not as harsh like if you're using regular air filter cleaner and you're cleaning it with kerosene or diesel fuel. But you can see this stuff's coming right out. There's some big globs right here. Try to loosen it up. And once you start pressing it like this, and you don't want to press too hard and rip the air filters or anything, but you can see everything's starting to come out pretty nice. And just work them in there, push them down, press them out. And this step gets all the air filter oil off or whatever. It breaks it all up and gets it off. And then after this, I do another I rinse it with regular water and like Dawn dish soap, pour it in the same bucket after, and then get all the rest of it completely off. And as you're doing it, these air filters, the new YZFs, don't really have any seams, but you want to check your seams and stuff. Make sure they're all good. No tears or anything. And obviously if your air filter's bad, just throw it out. There we go. So they're already looking pretty good, as you can see. There's still a little bit of dirt or whatever, but that stage loosened all the takes all the air, like the air filter oil out. So next step, we're gonna rinse it with water and dish soap next. And this stuff's biodegradable, so I just dump it in a spot. But as you can see, the water's just brown and nasty, all the sand in it. Look at the sand at the bottom. That's all the shit that your air filter captures. some regular Dawn dish soap for the next step. And again, I just use hot water. Doesn't have to be boiling hot or anything, but you want it pretty hot. Helps loosen all that stuff up. Those filters were pretty dirty, not gonna lie. When I do it, I like to just put the filter like in a ball or whatever and just press, and do that a bunch of times, and that really gets all the stuff out. Just squeezes and it forces it out. Looking good. Just nice one. And then all you have to do is just rinse off with water. So you just bring it back to the sink, break it bucket in. Boom. So rinse it out, and it's good to go. So dump your bucket. See how big this one is? See, it's still got a little extra dirt and sand that was in there. So snap your stuff through. And then find stuff alongside. Rinse them out in the sink or bathtub. Again, just warm so you burn your hands right now. When you do this step, make sure you make sure your girlfriend or wife isn't watching. Huh. I don't know. Yeah. Really want to. You can go opposite direction. At the air filter, take shoot all back out. Push anything else out. So do this around as well. But this is not better. Just let it do the same. This whole process is doing. It's pretty good. So 10-15 minutes in. That's it right now. Do that. I'm doing this recently. I'll push anything else out. Push that right now. Put some ball out there. There we go. We got all three washed. Looking good. Now, I don't really recommend if you're using like regular cleaner or whatever, or regular air filter oil and you have to get it out with like a harsh solvent. Obviously, don't do it in the sink. That's kind of gross. Last thing I do, I wring them out by hand, like so. Get all the excess water. And then all I do after, I just flap them around. Get that last little bit. Help them dry quicker. That wasn't smart. There's dirt on the rail. You kidding me? And the last step is just letting them dry. Just gonna take a picture for a thumbnail. A little before and after. Boom. Bada bang, bada boom. So you just want to put it in a safe place where it's, I mean, you can go and leave them out in the sun for you know, 10-20 minutes or whatever, they'll dry pretty quick like that. Or just set them out where they aren't gonna get kicked in the dirt or whatever. And then after they dry, you just apply the air filter oil, and that's it, and then they're set to go on the bike. So yep. If you have any buddies or whatever that are still, you know, letting their dads wash their air filters for them, or guys that don't do it themselves, and if you have any buddies, send them this video or whatever. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe down low, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.